What happens when nature's most fearsome predators meet humanity? A terrifying encounter in Florida has left the community in shock. Today, we're uncovering the horrifying details of a tragic alligator attack that claimed the life of a 41-year-old mother. In Clearwater, Florida, a monstrous 14-foot alligator was found with the remains of Sabrina Peckham, a 41-year-old mother, in its stomach. This shocking discovery has sent ripples through the community and raised urgent questions about safety in wildlife areas. Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub. In today's gripping story, we delve into the tragic fate of Sabrina Peckham. Recently, new Bodycam footage from the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission reveals the aftermath of this deadly encounter. Sabrina Peckham, who was unhoused at the time, was staying at an encampment near a canal when the deadly attack occurred. Passers-by raised the alarm last September after spotting the alligator with what appeared to be a body in its mouth. Emergency responders, together with the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, acted quickly. They managed to pull the massive reptile from the water and, in a dramatic scene, shot it dead. Officials described the alligator as being humanely killed following the attack. Video from the scene shows the alligator, its stomach grotesquely swollen, surrounded by police. Officers had to tape its mouth shut and use rope and chains to remove it from the canal. Tragically, Sabrina's remains were found inside. Locals witnessed the horror, with some even recording the gruesome sight as the alligator dragged its prey. Sabrina's daughter, Brawwana Doris, later clarified on social media that her mother was not taunting the animal. She believed Sabrina was simply walking to or from her campsite when she was attacked. "My mother was part of the homeless population living nearby," Doris wrote. "We expected to have many more years with her. Unfortunately, God has called her home sooner than our hearts were ready." Just 2 months before her death, Sabrina was arrested for trespassing in a county wetland close to the attack site. Despite warnings, she continued to frequent the area, which was known to be infested with alligators from a nearby lake. Sabrina had a history of misdemeanors, but her daughter emphasizes that no one deserves such a tragic end. Her heartfelt message speaks volumes about their bond and the pain of losing a loved one so violently. That's a wrap for today's video. This heartbreaking incident is a stark reminder of the dangers that lurk in our natural surroundings. What are your thoughts on this tragedy? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Celeb Explore Hub.